Alright, drop in a Bezier and let's go ahead and pull up a set curve radius. Let's do a curve to mesh and let's drop that in as well so we can have real mesh at the end. Now we need a profile, so get a curve circle and let's dump that in here. Make sure to lower the radius to 0.005 before you tag that into the profile. Now over here on the set curve radius, you're going to need to pull out a math. So let's get a multiply and let's dump that in so that you can control. Now let's grab a spline parameter and let's tag that into the first value. And now you've already got control once you bring up the radius. Now let's dump in an add right there by the multiply. Let's bring the factor back out here and let's add a subtract and a multiply. And now you'll be able to switch between the two. And don't forget to use the Bezier segment in geometry nodes so you can move the handles anywhere you want.